Well done. And some of the crowd standing up now.
Just such good defense. Djokovic could have done more with that forehand volley, but this was an excellent get by Djokovic. And of course, well done by Andy Murray to turn that rally around.
Just magic.
Because I'm sure at this point they would have admired almost as many as any other point in the match. Phenomenal court craft.